To apply for Klarna payment, start by visiting the Klarna website or downloading the Klarna app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have accessed the platform, click on the Sign Up button to create an account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Next, you will be asked to add a payment method, which can be a credit or debit card. Make sure the card is valid and has sufficient funds to cover the payment. You will also need to provide your address and date of birth to verify your identity. After completing the sign-up process, you can start using Klarna to make purchases online or in store. When you are ready to make a purchase, simply select Klarna as your payment method at checkout. You will then be redirected to the Klarna website to complete the payment. Klarna offers several payment options, including Pay Now, Pay Later, and financing. The Pay Now option allows you to pay for your purchase immediately, while the Pay Later option gives you the flexibility to pay up to 30 days after your purchase. The financing option allows you to split your purchase into monthly payments over a period of time. To use the Pay Later option, simply select it at checkout and confirm your payment details. You will receive an email with instructions on how to pay your balance. To use the financing option, select it at checkout and apply for financing. You will receive a decision immediately and can then complete your purchase. It is essential to review the terms and conditions of your payment plan before completing your purchase. Make sure you understand the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. You should also ensure that you can afford the monthly payments before applying for financing. In conclusion, applying for Klarna payment is a straightforward process that requires you to create an account, add a payment method, and verify your identity. By following these steps and understanding the different payment options, you can use Klarna to make purchases online or in store with flexibility and convenience. Always review the terms and conditions of your payment plan and ensure that you can afford the monthly payments to avoid any financial difficulties.